days ago, your challenge was to reduce caffeine intake, especially in the afternoon and evening. There are several other practices and routines you can follow that will also positively influence your sleep. What you do during the day can help your sleep at night, starting with a consistent wake-up time. And once you're awake, let in the light, open your windows, and expose yourself to plenty of natural sunlight during the morning and throughout the day. Exercise is also important. Ample daytime activity will help your body be ready to rest more soundly when evening comes. Turn off screens at least a half hour before bed. It's even better if you can turn off screens a couple of hours beforehand. If this one is hard for you, consider keeping your cell phone in a different room. If it isn't in your bedroom, you'll be less likely to scroll in bed. As bedtime approaches, wind down with a routine. You might journal, read, stretch, listen to soothing music, or diffuse essential oils. Washing your face and brushing your teeth are a given, of course. Create an environment that's inviting and conducive to sleep. Consider lighting, sound, and temperature. Lower the temperature in your home so it's a little cooler at night than during the day. If you have any lights that twinkle or blink at you in your room, you might cover them up with electrical tape to help keep your bedroom nice and dark. With sound, some people find quiet white noise from a fan or an app helps them sleep. Others don't find either option helpful, so figure out what works best for you. Most people don't fall asleep the moment their head hits the pillow, so let yourself wind down. As you lie in bed, you might find it useful to think about relaxing rather than sleeping. If sleep comes, wonderful. If not, that's okay. Get back up, walk around for a minute, get a drink of water, or try reading for a while. You can try to sleep again when you feel ready.